What is up, YouTube? Today gonna be a lot of fireworks. We got some super firecrackers. We got some moon travel bottle rockets. Yeah, those are pretty cool. They go up to the moon. Literally. This is a launch site here at launch. A little bottle, because it's called bottle rockets, and a can. The can come later. These are test subjects here. Cracked solo cup and standard solo cup. Nothing wrong with it. We're gonna see if they survive these tests, and I'm gonna go set these fireworks up for the test set. And yeah, we can do this. Okay, this is what they I'm gonna show y'all what they do just by themselves. So we're gonna light them here. Only one went off. Oh, both of them are gone. That one malfunctioned, but it's fine. Now let's get to the testing. Test subject number 1. Cracked solo cup. There's not supposed to be a go. Alright. Place your bets. I'm kind of scared here. I never know what it does. It's just a butter rocket that goes up. But it has something heavy on top, so I don't know what it was going to do. Well, there's only one way to find out. Shall we? Oh, shit. Woo! It didn't go far. I expected to shoot straight to the solo cup, but it just carried it down and it blew up right there next to it. Let's go to test subject 2. You know what? Now we're going to do test subject 1, but with 2 of them this time. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Scratch that. We're not going to do that. We're going to take the super firecrackers and put one inside where the thing is and see if it launches it or it just blows it up. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Righty then, let's do this. As you can see, the firecracker is right there. You see the little fuse there. Yeah, we're about to do this, boy. It's a real short fuse, and I'm gonna get up and book it. I need a stand for this. So dramatic. What do you even do? It's just pop. There's smoke blowing out of it. Let's open up the thing. Oh my god. Wow, bro. We're smoking hot now. Oh, there's the firecracker. Poor guy. He didn't last long, didn't he? Yeah. Let's see what happens if we put. You know what? Let's move on to test subject 2. Here. Alright, test subject 2 is down. A fuse to the bottle rocket. Right there. You see a little green spot there. That's the fuse. I don't think I can get it not. Oh, just in case. Stand up. Let me. Yay! Says what to do is down, ladies. Let's go see what the thing looks like. Oh god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, I'll show you guys this. Oh my. Let me put the lighter down. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my indeed. Oh my indeed. Oh my indeed. No, what's that from the lighter? Let me lighten it. Look inside. There's the remainings of the thing. But pretty much, not really much. except for that. That one is a piece of melted plastic just sheared to itself. Test set 2 might not want to do what I wanted to do during test 4 of the firecrackers. I can make it work. I'll probably just trim it to the point where it's closed in. I'll get a new cup. Yeah, I'll go do that. I'll go get a new cup. Test subject 3, yeah, test subject 3 is dead. Okay, the replacement of test subject 2 has been placed down with 2 firecrackers in it. Because we're going harder on test 2 because test 1 didn't really do anything. Alright, let's do this. Oh no. I have to get real close now. Oh, that one reached, but it didn't go off. So I'm gonna do this again. Let's get a fresh firecracker, because that didn't really work. So we get a timer one, hooked with a time fused, 2 of them, because I think the wet sand, because it rained here, is ruining the fuses. So I just wasted 2 firecrackers right there. But this should work. So I'm gonna put it under the test subject and okay, I'm gonna see what happens. All right, let's do this, boys. It's your timer. Go. Timer. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Good job, Rooster. Yeah, okay, we're gonna switch back to damage. Split the damage. Not much damage, except for that big hole right there. I think that's where the fuse go in and burning itself right there. But not much happened. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, don't try this at home. Leave it to professionals, and see y'all later.